In this video, I'll show you how you can protect the worksheet in Microsoft Excel so that someone doesn't accidentally delete cells you don't want to be deleted. That someone could be even you later. The way to do it is you click on the cells and you click on protection, and you choose locked. You have to tick locked for the ones that you want to be locked when the sheet is protected. The cells that you do not want to be locked, you should untick them. These will be still editable when you lock the worksheet. In this case here, I want to allow some cells to be edited, and then you go to the review tab on the top ribbon menu, protect workbook and protect sheet. Protect workbook, from what I understand, it doesn't allow changes to the structure of the file, and you can set a password and you can unlock it also. Protect sheet gives you all these options here. You have a lot of options to lock the worksheet, and you also set a password, and you see now I have the menu. I cannot edit this cell here because it's locked, it's protected. And this is used mostly for formulas where you have a column that is data entry and another column that is a formula or a data source or something to use this data, and you don't want someone, that could be you, to accidentally press delete there or type something by mistake there. You can unlock the worksheet just as easy as you locked the worksheet. The hardest part is to choose the cells that you want to be locked. You see, I cannot delete the headers of the Excel. Yeah, this is pretty useful if you work a lot with Excel and especially with formulas, and you want to make sure that nobody changes your formula or deletes it by mistake. A tip is to make another color for the locked cells, so you know later which cells are locked. So you shouldn't really try to see which one is locked by clicking in it and trying to edit it and see if it works or no. A light gray color for the protected columns and rows is pretty useful. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos about Microsoft Excel, or in general what kind of videos you like to see.